Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you are in GTA Online and signed into your character. Once done, check your rank and complete any stated weapon unlock missions. These unlock requirements gate access. Make sure you have enough cash to buy the Carbine variant and verify ammunition inventory or the in-game weapons website. From here, travel to a populated session so stores are populated, or open the in-game internet immediately. That gets you to the purchase screen fast. You now find the service Carbine by opening ammunition in person or using the in-game browser. This is faster when you filter for assault rifles or Carbine class. Once visible, inspect attachment slots and variants so you know which mods you want. You can add suppressors, scopes, or extended mags. Confirm the buy and wait for the transaction to complete. Make sure you then open your inventory or weapon wheel to equip the new Carbine before leaving the store area. You finish by customizing and equipping the service Carbine to your playstyle. Go straight to weapon customization at ammunition, add the optics and attachments, and save that loadout. Then test it in a calm area or mission to verify recoil and ergonomics. If the Carbine doesn't appear in your wheel, make sure the purchase completed. Then restart your session or check ownership in the interaction menu. If issues persist, confirm you met unlock requirements or contact support with transaction details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.